Hello everyone, welcome to Learning from Home channel. Now in this video we are going to talk about how to adjust worksheet. Now what you see here is a worksheet. Okay, so how can we adjust it? Before we do that, let's create a table and we adjust it. So we have a 3-column table. So 3-column and this row. So highlight it and go to Insert, now Table, and click on OK. So we have column 1. And this column 1 starting Monday. Okay, now this January. Okay, now this type in. Okay, Ghana. Now let's flash fill. So let's flash fill. Okay, so drag. Put the cursor at the right side so you get the additional sign. Now hold and drag it. Okay, so you press the left button, you hold and drag to just get this. So now we have, let's insert column. Now that's why I left here unnamed. Now this is a column and this is the row. So what you see here, this is a column. This is column what? H. This is H. Okay. This is I. This is J. This is K. Now this is row 19. This is row 18. This is row 20. So we have the columns and we have rows. So now column 1, row 1. So we have column 18, row 18. That is this column 1 here. So let's say, how can we add column or row? So first, let's add column. Let's add column. And in order to add column, so put the cursor here, right click, now go to Insert. So you can see that we have table column to left and table row above. Now table column. So you click on the table column. Now since this is the column, you can see that a new column has been added. Now here too, we can still add column to this side. Just click anywhere, right click and go to Insert. Now add table column to the left. So where is your left? So this is your left. Now this is your right. So when you choose table column to right, it's going to add a name column to this side. So you may have column 5 at this side. Let's try that and see at the right. You can see you have column what? Column 5 at okay, so you have column 32 here. Okay, so you have a new column at this side. So that's a way to add column. Now, what if you want to delete column? How will you do it? So just highlight it and go to delete. Now delete table column and off. That is it. Now highlight the column that you want to delete. Now right click and go to delete table column and off you go. Now how can you add row? Right click anywhere. Now go to Insert. Now row above. So row above means where now we clicked on the Wednesday. So row above means the row must can be between Tuesday and Wednesday. So now let's try and see. So you see now we have new row inserted between Tuesday and Wednesday. Now you can still add row between Sunday and Saturday. So now let's see, row above Sunday and Saturday. You have row over there. Now if you want to delete, what do? Highlight it, then go to delete. Now delete table row and off. Delete table row. Highlight it first and go delete table row, and that is it. Okay. Now the other part is when you check this side, you see under the column heading, you see we have this drop down button here. That is called the filter. If you want to take off this filter, just go to table, click on the table that you've created, and go to the table tab on the file. So go to Home, Insert, and the table tab. So click on the table. Now go see we have filter button. So when you click on the filter button, you will see now the button is off now. Okay, the button is off now. And now you have header row. So when you click on the header row, the header is off. Now you have table without the header as well. Okay, so you can click on it to bring it back, and you can just click on this to just bring it back. Now, what is the functions of these drop down buttons over here? Now, when you click on this drop down, it asks you, that's the sorting. So how do you want to sort it? Is it in ascending order? So you can see here from A to Z, right? So you're going to sort it from A. Now you have M, T, W, T, F, S, S, M. So which letter comes first? Okay, so it's going to be the T. So the T will be the first, or the F will be the first, and the T follows. So I click on the ascending, and I can see that the F, M, M, S, S, T, T, W. Okay, now and here too, when it comes to this side, we have choose one. This is by advanced sorting. So choose one equal to, or so when you choose equal to, now you can just apply what equal to Saturday. Okay, now select. So as you can see, so Saturday we have this over there. Now you can just select Sunday, and you have Sunday. Then you can decide to this also ends with. So ends with what? So you can just select ends with. So ends with Y. So all text here under the column 1 that ends with Y is going to pop up. So this is about and it's about sorting data. So this is a arrangement of the data in ascending order. That is or descending order. So that is either from A to Z or from Z to A backwardsly. And this is an advanced filter. If you want to just filter or to sort it out, you can just select that equal to. So equal to means the text that are going to type it here, if it is equal to the column that you are just working on, it's going to face it out. Okay, or if it contains. So if it contains, let's say W, only Wednesday contains W, so you can see it is here. Now only Thursday contains TH, so you can see Thursday, right? And Monday, and we have 2 Mondays here, so you can see you have 2 Mondays here as well. So that is the advanced filter. If you want to filter the table and to just get the specific information, that is what you do. So and when you are done, you can just go to clear filter to just clear everything and close. But if you think you've sorted and you don't want any sorting again, go to the table and I'll click on the filter button, okay, to just take it off. So that is it for the adjusting worksheet. And let's say one thing is, if you want to insert the entire column, entire row. You see now under this, we just inserted only, as you can see, when we insert row above, it doesn't insert it over here. It just insert it within this side only. So how can we insert the entire row from here up to the end? How can we do that? Just go to this side, now right click and go to insert. Okay, now the row is being inserted, new row is inserted, and it cuts across the whole sheet. Now, can you insert more than a row? Yes. So just select the row that you want to insert. So if you want to insert this row, now just right click and go to insert. Now when you click on insert, it's going to insert it above this line. Okay, above this line. So now let's click on insert and see. So you can see now we have 4 or 5 new cells or 4 new rows being added. And if you want to insert columns, the same thing applies to this. Now if you want to insert this column, right click and go to insert column, and going to insert it over there for you. Alright, so that is a way to insert columns and rows, and also how to sort and filter as well. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next video.